Hello, everybody. I am Gage Hensley. I am a student at Gull Lake High School, and I am currently taking computer science and software engineering class. So today, we are gonna look at the different commands you can do in the command line interface in Linux. So if I remember correctly, it should be Control Shift T, Control Alt T. There. All right. Now I got the terminal, and this is where we can put in commands to edit certain things on the computer. So the first thing we're going to do is the who am I command. It shows the user that is currently logged in, which is me. And then if you want to see what different files and directories are on the system, just click ls. And all the blue ones, these are directories. These aren't actual files, they're folders. And so let's say we want to enter our documents. Then we gotta click, we gotta type in CD, and then, pushing stuff. And you can click tab to finish it. CD opens a file or directory, or at least just directory. There's a different command to open the files. And now if we want to see what's in our documents, we type in ls again, and there's nothing in there. So we are going to create a document to go in there. So in order to create this file, we use the touch command, and we put what we want the file. This is going to be for the West branch, and we're assuming that we're in like a company or something. Now if we do ls West branch, it's in white, so that means it is a file and not a directory. So now we want to write in this file. So we are going to use a command for that. There's two different commands to open a file. You can use nano to open it up in here, or you can use xdg open to open the file up in another application. So first we're going to do the nano, and then west tab, and then you can see that the document is open in here. So we are gonna make employee names West branch. So these are the employee names for the West branch. So now we're gonna need some names for to put in here, because we are going to make profiles for them later, and we're gonna put their different profiles into set groups. So I'm just gonna put some names down real quick. Oh yeah, and if you want to see the notes I'm using that I made, these are just the commands for the command line interface, but there are more that I've made, and you can find these on my ePortfolio website, and you can get to that from my homepage on my YouTube channel. And I think we should use ChatGPT, which is another great tool, to come up with some employee names. Please, I'm using my manners because, if it takes over, I don't want to be terminated. Please list, employee names. I don't know, make them up.
Now we're just gonna type in.
Okay. Okay.
scan
Oh,
as,
it's given
and then
all
West
there.
branch because we're just gonna edit it in the
Okay,
terminal.
well, we're not going to use this. I mean, we can use some of these.
And
4.
now we're gonna start
Oh
putting
boy,
in
that's a
some
lot.
code.
Alright, so we're just going to put these names into here. So I'll come back once that's done. Alright, I have all the employee names now listed in the document. Not all of them, but some of them. And so now we are going to exit the document. So what we do is we Control X, Y, and it's asking if we want to rename the file. We're not going to do that. We're just going to click enter. And now we want to, let's say we don't want to go into the file and read it. We just want to read it right from the terminal. There is a command to do that. And we want to use the cat command to display what's in the file. So cat west branch, and here it displays everything we wrote in the file. Let's say we don't want to read all that. Let's say we just want to have a brief overview. If we use oh no head, it'll just display the first 10 lines, which it is counting spaces as lines, and just display the last 10 lines. You could probably guess it's going to be tail. And that shows the last 10 lines. Now let's say for this document we want to make a directory to put the file in. You just do mkdir, it makes a new directory, and we want to name it. So since this is the thing is named West Branch, if the employees in the West Branch, it'd be appropriate to name this employees, because maybe we have a West Branch file and a East Branch file in the same directory, which is just employee
So if you want to see the
names.
first 10 lines of that, it's going to type
And then
in
we can
head, and then
move
west
the
branch, put whatever you named your file,
directory
and
by using
it
this
should show up like this.
command,
And then you're on the last 10
which I'll
lines,
type out
you're
right
going
now.
to do
Right, MV West Branch employee names. And so now we're gonna open up employee names.
add a group.
So we're gonna actually first we're gonna do ls employee names. So you can see it did add it, and West Branch is not in this directory anymore. So now
actually we have to add sudo
we're going
first,
to
and then
use this command yet again.
add,
Also,
and
a quick tip:
after
if
that
you
we're
wanna go
skipping
back
the
to like
name of it,
previous
so
commands, you can just click with the up
let's
arrow and down arrow,
do
and like we're just gonna put employee names. Enter. So now we're in employee names. Now we list it, and now you can see West Branch is in this new directory that we made. And now I'll show you the second way to open a file, which is xdg open.
And this is going to be specialized too, but
Dash
in our case, we're just going to
open
do random one. So for one, we're going to do task
West Branch, and see that'll open it in a
and
whole
we do
new
not have any spaces, so we're going to
a whole new application, whole new window, and you can still edit it. You can still like put names in there. I don't know, John Doe. And
we're
then
going to be
now
doing
if we
task master,
again,
so we want to make sure there's no spaces.
it will
Let's do
update.
underscore
So now
instead,
we want to turn some of these names
and
into actual
masters,
profiles, to
and
actual
then we have that.
accounts
We
for
just type
this
in the
system.
password,
So in order to do that,
and you won't see it being
we
typed
are
in, but
going
it
to
is.
use
And then we're just gonna
the
add
add
two
user
more.
command.
So same thing,
So you use sudo
add, and this command
add
visionary,
user, and then username.
And make sure there's no spaces. And enter. And we're gonna do one more. Sudo group
Actually, no,
add.
you don't
And
use
then
the
this
actual
time
name.
we're going to
That's
do
for some
this.
later. We need to put the
In tab.
actual just username, which they have to be lowercase, and I don't think you can add spaces.
In
So S.
here it is.
It's gonna ask for your
Enter,
password.
and now it should
Just type
have
it out.
three groups.
It's not gonna show up, but
And
it
the
is
way
actually
you do
typing.
it is
And now it's asking, okay, what password is this user going to? What's the password for him? So the password is going to be 123. We're going to keep it simple. It's going to say bad password, but you can still confirm it by retyping it. Now you actually put the full name of the profile. This stuff you can put it there if you want to, but we're not going to get into that.
type in
Yes, the information is correct, and
group
she's in the system.
and
So
add
I'm going to
spaces.
add a couple more names, and I will get back with you after I do that.
Word. Full name.
And also, in order
So this
to,
one can't have
let's say you don't
spaces
want all this on your screen, and you want
It's
to,
just the name and it doesn't
like a
really fit
blank
it.
screen,
So then we're just gonna skip
you
over
have to
this.
click,
And then
give me 1
click
second.
Y.
And in order to clear your screen, you just click Control L, and you'll still have all your stuff, but it'll bring your thing down so it looks blank. So now you're going to see who is in the system. We're going to check to see if it worked. So get int group. You can see admin, and then we have all of our users. I only added 4 for the purpose of the video, but again, you're probably going to have more than 4 people, but again, for the purposes of the video, we're doing 4. So now we are going to add them to their respective groups. So in order to do that, we use this command, which is sudo group add, and what do we want the groups to be? We can do marketing.
Good question. Is there allowed to be? Can you put capitals in here?
And then use this sudo
Yeah.
user mod
Another thing I didn't want to tell them.
-ag marketing, and then we do who do we got? We have boom, and then to see if it worked, we could do it for a specific group, or we can do it the whole system. First, we're gonna do the whole system. And you can see it shows all the names, but then it shows an extra marketing on the bottom with who we just added. Let's add another person to there. So we use, again, the same thing. We can just go tab up, and we can change it to Mr. David Martinez. And then get in group, and he is in there. Now for a specific group, you do get in group marketing, and it'll show just your people in marketing. And you can add more if you want. And now what you have to do is just oh yeah, we can go through system information. So top displays your resource usage.
You have to type in the URL.
You click Q to get out of there. PS, run processes. Oh,
Where is it? Should get, oh, right here. Next. Yeah.
disk usage.
That's one of them.
This is just the
And
file directories.
there's ping. Oh yeah. Ping
Uptime.
for the.
How long it's been running.
No, no, it's just ping. It's ping and then your website name. Oh.
You can do a lot of things too. Oh, you can ping stuff too. I'm gonna ping Google.
I don't know if we do IP.
I'm
though.
hitting random buttons. Ping Google.
But oh.
Dot
Okay, then
com.
for IP ADDR show.
And it's sending pings. There's a lot of other commands too, but you can go over them yourself by going on to my Notion. So that is going to be it for the video. Thank you for watching, and yeah, hope to see you on my ePortfolio and checking out my stuff. See ya.